In this video, we will compare Docker and Proxmox, two powerful tools for managing applications and servers, but with different use cases. Let's explore their features and differences. Now let's go first onto the Docker features. First is best for containerization, packages application and dependencies into lightweight, portable containers. Second is cross-platform compatibility. Runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. The third feature is efficient resource management. It uses system resources efficiently without needing full virtual machines. The fourth is the Docker Compose and Swarm. Manages multi-container applications and clustering. The fifth feature is works with Kubernetes. Seamlessly integrates with Kubernetes for large-scale deployments. And without further ado, let's go to the Proxmox features. First feature is the best of virtualization. Uses KMV, which is kernel-based virtual machine, and LXC, which is the Linux containers for VM management. Second feature is full OS virtualization. Runs complete operating system in isolated virtual machines. It also have a high availability clustering, allows multiple nodes for failover and redundancy. The fourth one is the storage and backup solution. It includes built-in backup and storage management. The fifth feature is the web-based management. It provides a user-friendly web UI for easy server control. Now let's have here our final thought. Docker is best for developers who need lightweight, portable application containers that can run anywhere, while Proxmox is ideal for system administrators who require full OS virtualization with clustering backups and web-based management. If you need scalable applications, go with Docker. But if you want a full virtual machine's enterprise-grade server management, Proxmox is the way to go. Now, which one suits your needs? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.